Imagine enjoying the sweetness of life without worrying about spiking blood sugar levels. If you or someone you care for manages diabetes, this video could revolutionize your understanding of fruits. Today, we'll unveil 7 sweet fruits that aren't just safe for diabetics, they're powerful tools to help maintain stable glucose levels. Stick around because, beyond the basics, I'll share tips, surprising facts, and even life-changing stories from people who've transformed their health with these fruits. We'll delve into 7 fruits that diabetics can confidently include in their diet, explore their unique health benefits, and provide easy tips for incorporating them into everyday life. 1. Jabuticaba. Jabuticaba, a unique and exotic fruit native to Brazil, is gaining attention worldwide for its remarkable health benefits and versatility. Often referred to as a superfruit, jabuticaba is not only a delicious treat but also a nutritional powerhouse that supports overall well-being. Jabuticaba is rich in anthocyanins, the potent antioxidants responsible for its deep purple hue. These compounds are known to combat oxidative stress, reduce inflammation, and promote healthy aging. Studies suggest that anthocyanins can also help regulate blood sugar levels by slowing glucose absorption, making jabuticaba an excellent choice for individuals managing diabetes. Additionally, jabuticaba contains dietary fiber, which aids digestion and promotes gut health. Its high antioxidant content also supports cardiovascular health by reducing the risk of heart disease and improving blood circulation. While jabuticaba remains relatively rare outside of South America, it can occasionally be found in specialty markets or imported goods sections. For those fortunate enough to stumble upon this fruit, it is often love at first bite. Its grape-like appearance and sweet tart flavor make it a delightful addition to any diet. Beyond its taste, its impressive antioxidant profile underscores why it deserves a spot in the category of superfoods. Jabuticaba is versatile and easy to enjoy in various ways. It can be eaten fresh as a snack, added to smoothies for a nutrient boost, or even used as an ingredient in jams and desserts. For health-conscious individuals, replacing processed snacks with jabuticaba is a simple yet effective way to enhance their diet. In conclusion, jabuticaba is more than just a rare fruit, it is a nutritional gem with immense potential to improve health. Whether you're seeking better blood sugar control, enhanced digestion, or cardiovascular support, this superfruit is worth exploring. Keep an eye out for it in specialty stores and consider making it a staple in your wellness journey. 2. Apples. Apples, often referred to as nature's convenience food, are proving to be more than just a tasty snack. Packed with pectin, a type of soluble fiber, apples are known to support heart health by aiding in cholesterol management. Additionally, their low glycemic index makes them an excellent choice for maintaining stable blood sugar levels, particularly for individuals managing diabetes. One compelling example involves a diabetic patient who successfully controlled hunger and glucose spikes by incorporating apple-based snacks into their diet. This simple adjustment not only improved their energy levels but also contributed to better overall health. To make the most of apples' benefits, consider integrating them into balanced recipes. For instance, an apple yogurt parfait combines the fruit's natural sweetness with protein-rich yogurt, creating a nutritious and satisfying option for any time of day. Incorporating apples into daily meals is an easy yet impactful step toward better health. With their versatility and nutrient profile, apples truly deserve their place as an everyday hero in our diets. 3. Blackberries. Blackberries, though small in size, pack a powerful punch when it comes to health benefits. These nutrient-dense berries are rich in fiber and antioxidants, making them a valuable addition to any diet. Studies suggest that their high antioxidant content helps combat oxidative stress, while the fiber supports digestive health and enhances insulin sensitivity, an essential factor for managing blood sugar levels. A compelling example of their versatility comes from a professional chef who successfully incorporated blackberries into sugar-free desserts. This innovation provided diabetic customers with delicious yet health-conscious options, showcasing the potential of blackberries in culinary creativity. For those looking to enjoy blackberries in their daily routine, they can be a refreshing addition to fresh salads or blended into smoothies. Additionally, freezing blackberries makes for a convenient and nutritious snack, perfect for busy lifestyles. Whether fresh or frozen, these tiny berries prove that good things truly come in small packages. 4. Kiwi. Kiwi, often celebrated for its vibrant green flesh and tangy sweet flavor, is more than just a tropical treat. This exotic fruit boasts a low glycemic index, making it an excellent choice for those managing blood sugar levels. Packed with fiber, it supports digestion and promotes better glucose control, making it a valuable addition to a balanced diet. A fitness enthusiast recently shared their personal experience with kiwi, highlighting its remarkable benefits. According to them, incorporating kiwi into their daily routine not only improved their energy levels but also helped stabilize sugar intake, enabling a more consistent performance during workouts. For maximum nutritional benefits, experts recommend consuming kiwi with its skin. While this may seem unconventional, the skin is rich in fiber and antioxidants, further enhancing the fruit's health properties. A simple tip: wash the kiwi thoroughly before eating to ensure cleanliness and enjoy it whole for a nutrient-packed snack. Whether you're looking to boost your energy, improve digestion, or maintain healthy blood sugar levels, kiwi proves to be a small fruit with big benefits. Consider adding this superfood to your diet for a delicious and healthful upgrade. 5. Pears. Pears, often celebrated for their natural sweetness and versatility, are more than just a delicious fruit, they are a powerhouse of health benefits. Rich in soluble fiber, pears play a vital role in promoting insulin sensitivity and maintaining stable blood sugar levels, making them an excellent choice for individuals managing diabetes or seeking balanced nutrition. A time-honored tradition highlights the fruit's appeal. Many families, including those with diabetic members, have relied on baked pears as a wholesome and satisfying dessert alternative. This simple yet effective approach underscores the fruit's ability to cater to dietary restrictions while still delivering on flavor. Beyond traditional uses, pears can be effortlessly incorporated into modern meals. Add them to smoothies for a natural sweetener, toss them into salads for a refreshing twist, or bake them into snacks for a guilt-free treat. Their versatility ensures they remain a staple in kitchens worldwide. In summary, pears are not only sweet and reliable but also a practical choice for enhancing overall health. Whether enjoyed fresh or creatively prepared, this humble fruit continues to earn its place as a nutritional favorite. 6. Oranges. Oranges, known for their vibrant color and refreshing taste, are more than just a delicious fruit, they are a powerhouse of nutrition. Packed with vitamin C, oranges play a vital role in boosting immunity and promoting skin health. Their low glycemic index makes them a smart choice for individuals looking to maintain stable blood sugar levels, including those managing diabetes. A compelling story highlights a diabetic traveler who found oranges to be a reliable and health-conscious snack during journeys. Easy to pack and naturally hydrating, oranges provide a perfect balance of sweetness and nutrition on the go. Incorporating oranges into meals is simple and versatile. A refreshing orange and spinach salad can be prepared by tossing orange slices with fresh spinach, nuts, and a light vinaigrette. For a hydrating twist, infuse water with orange slices for a naturally flavored beverage. Whether consumed on their own or as part of creative recipes, oranges remain an excellent choice for those seeking a nutritious and flavorful addition to their diet. 7. Papayas. Papayas, often referred to as nature's digestive aid, are gaining popularity for their impressive health benefits. Known for their low sugar content, these tropical fruits are an excellent choice for those looking to manage their sugar intake without compromising on flavor. What sets papayas apart is their richness in enzymes, particularly papain, which aids in breaking down proteins and improving digestion. Additionally, their high antioxidant content contributes to overall health by combating harmful free radicals in the body. For individuals seeking a healthier way to satisfy sweet cravings, papayas offer a guilt-free solution. A tropical foodie, for instance, might enjoy the fruit fresh or incorporated into sugar-free smoothies for a refreshing and nutritious treat.